am so excited to have you here for today's video, which is actually a Thanksgiving turkey recipe. I know there's a lot of stigma behind Thanksgiving turkeys, and it does not have to be that way. This recipe is actually super easy, but it is so flavorful and moist. So moist, and I absolutely love it. And I'm not actually even a big meat lover, so that's saying something. Super easy. The cooking method is really simple. You just want to make sure you take your turkeys out in time. If you're using a frozen turkeys, they can sometimes take a couple days to thaw. I'm using a fresh turkey today. I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments below what's your absolute favorite thing on the Thanksgiving table. Mine is turkey or stuffing, I think. Yeah, I'm going with that. So anyway, if you throw in a salad though with cranberries, I'm always such a sucker for salad. I also love those fluffy rolls, so now I don't know. But anyhow, Thanksgiving is just super delicious all around. I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions for Christmas recipes you would like to see after this. And let's get cooking. Ingredients are a 12-pound turkey, butter, and then 3/4 cup vinegar, 3 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon salt, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3/4 teaspoon pepper, and 1 cup of water with 1 chicken bouillon cube mixed in it. So I'm going to start off with putting this apple into the cavity of the turkey and then slathering the butter all around. You can just kind of press it and push it however it works. It'll melt pretty soon in the oven anyway. And then we're going to put that in the oven. And I apologize for the lighting in this video. You do this in the evening and then bake it for an hour and a half, and then it sits in the oven overnight. So we have to do this kind of in the dark, but it'll get better later. The lighting will. Anyway, I'm just going to pour that chicken bouillon with water over top the turkey, and then we'll mix all the rest of the ingredients and pour that on top as well. Alright, got that done, and now we are just gonna wrap this thing up really well. You want it totally sealed. I would recommend at least 2 layers of tin foil over this because that'll trap in the liquid, which will then make it really nice and moist. So wrap them up good. Once that's finished, we're going to put this in the oven and bake it at 500 for an hour and a half, and then do not open the oven door. Just leave the door closed, turn the oven off, and let it sit overnight. It's the next morning now, and I have my turkey here. I have not yet looked into it. I hope it's not all falling apart. That is when it tastes the best, but it's hard to set it in a platter. So if it is that, I mean, usually we serve it off the bone anyway, but it's always a pretty display. So we're just gonna unwrap this now and see if we can set it on here. Before I do that though, I wish I had some herbs to put on here, but I'm just gonna arrange some lettuce leaves in here, and then I have some oranges and apples to just garnish the platter with and make it look all nice. And we should be all done. Delicious. It is falling apart a little bit, but I'm going to try to transfer it into here as best as I can, fingers crossed. have quite a bit of juice in here. This would make amazing gravy Or if you pick off your turkey off the bone, then I would definitely just put it back in here. It's so nice and moist. The flavor of this is incredible. So I would definitely save this, don't toss it. So I'm gonna put this away and then we're gonna just kind of try to garnish this and doll it up and we'll be done. Turkey. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to let me know if you try this recipe, and happy Thanksgiving, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.